Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is very angry because he's saying that there are some people going around, and what they're doing is using their fake pages or fake emails to, to give his video, claiming copyright on his video. And so he's saying that they've been doing that for a while, and all the time, like every time that he posts something, they would go up and do the same thing. He's not really sure if anyone else is facing the same thing, and he's really upset about this because he said that he's not playing music in his video. However, he's getting copyright claim to that video for specific songs and stuff like that. So he's saying that he will be taking down all his videos if the person continues, and that's the only way for him to get rid of the person. Every time he puts a video up, then he's going to take it down. So go watch the video, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Guys, you know what? Bass Reynolds, hello to you too. Listen, people, I don't know if this is affecting any viewer pages, right? But there are some people who's going around social media adding fake copyright claim to people's videos, knowing damn well there is no music, especially the music to which they are claiming is in your video, right? I can understand if I'm playing your music in my video. However, I am not playing I don't play music in my video, period. So I don't understand how on earth you people want to go around making all of these fake copyright claims, right? That's messing up my content. I have no time for you, nor your bullshit. Understand? Go and find someone else to target. Whoever is doing it, go and find someone else to target. I am tired of you because right now you are messing with my content. You are messing with my livelihood. And under no circumstance will I allow any of you unscrupulous people on here to mess with my livelihood, nor my content. Yes, I can understand if I'm putting your videos playing your music in my content, but I know for a fact I am not. Especially the names to which you guys are claiming. Some strange. You're playing, right? I bet you any money when I'm done this live, they're going to add some fake copyright claim to my video as well. But guess what? I'm going to delete this video. And I think moving forward, if I have to delete all of my videos, so you don't come and put no damn copyright on my video, knowing damn well it is fake, then I will do so. I will do so. Because some of you people on here are preying on people go and pray on someone else. Go and pray on someone else. I'm not playing your ridiculous music. Lafelle, Pepel, Rappel, Malapel. I don't know you people. And most definitely I would if I'm gonna put music in my video, it will be Jamaican music and Jamaican music only, because I am a Jamaican British citizen. So how on earth you people want to come put your damn rappel, lapel, calapel, mama, go and pray on someone else. Go and pray on someone else. Everything I do here, funny thing, it's been a minute. I should be talking about it. Corey, remember I told you what was happening, right? I told you what was happening, right? These people are wicked people. It won't stop. I know for a fact it will not stop because they see me and they've been targeting me for a minute now. Every time I put in a counter notice, they have no choice but to accept the counter notice. They have no choice but to accept that counter notice because they know themselves that there's no music in my video, But I feel like they're doing it because they want to mess up my livelihood. Right? Does any of you on here see me troubling anyone? No. Leave me alone. Leave me and my content alone in peace and tranquility. Some of the names being called Sachem. This rights manager. You're playing, right? You're playing, right? You people want to hear the names being called as well. I could call some of the names, but I'm not giving them the satisfaction. They are maybe it's Facebook is doing it. Maybe I feel like Facebook are targeting me as well. I don't know. But I know for a fact I am being targeted. I am being targeted. And every time this happens, I'm gonna come out, since you people want highlight, I'm gonna come out, I'm going to highlight all of you who are putting your fake copyright claims on my videos. I can understand if I had played your content or your music in my video, but I know for a fact it is all fake and fabricated. Every time I notice you people, I always say your claims are baseless, because that's it. They are truly baseless claims. What are you guys getting out of copyright to my videos? Are you trying to take down my page? It's not going to happen, because every time you guys copyright one of my videos, I'm going to counter notice you. I will counter notice every single one of you who's doing this. People, honest to God, yes, they are stopping me from getting the full potential of the video in terms of revenue. But if that's the case, let's do this. Continue to harass me. I don't play music in none of my videos. I do not play no music in none of my videos. And these people are targeting me. Like, if they don't target this video, my other live I do, they're going to target that live too. And they've been doing this for a minute now. And I'm tired. I am tired of you people. Go and make your content yourself. Stop trying to insert yourselves into my content. My original content. My original content at that. Anything I put on my page, it is original for a reason. I don't play music in none of my videos. No music do I ever play in my videos. Never. Yes, in the beginning, I used to play music and I used to wind up myself and all of that nonsense. But I've stopped all of that now because I realize some of you people are what I do. Don't like it. So I stopped. I stopped all of that. So why all of a sudden now I'm doing my original content, my own thing, you people want to come add copyright to my damn videos, knowing damn well your copyright claims are baseless and fake. You have no choice but to accept my counter notice. So why on earth do you continue to do this? Is it because you want to take? Is it because you continue to do this because you want to take mess up my content potential in terms of earnings or whatever? I don't know. Why are you guys doing this to me? I bet you I'm one of the only ones who this is happening to on Facebook. And I feel like people are setting these people on me. Go and seek God and leave me alone. And leave me my content in peace. My content are my content and my content only. Imagine I had to apply for rights manager to protect my content from you. Imagine. I'm doing everything I can to protect my own content from you wicked people. I bet you none of the other bloggers on here are facing these type of consequences I'm facing. Stop putting up angry face in my video. Stop putting up angry face in my video. I'm gonna block you. And I don't care if you like. I'm gonna block you. Don't put no angry face in none of my videos. Any one of you put angry face on my videos, I'm going to block you. I don't care. I'm going to block you. Yes, put it up. Put it up. When I'm done, watch, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. You're not going to come do what you want to do. This is my page. And my page only. You know what? Let me end this live because I'm going to show you. I'm going to block you. Whoever you are.